Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is gonna be yet another Zara try on haul because I'm addicted to Zara and you guys love it. Like, I was trying to do other videos and you guys were like, no, I prefer Zara. So I was like, okay, fine, let's just do some more Zara hauls. But don't worry, I love Zara too. Hope you like the place that I'm wearing. I will put a link in the description bar if you are interested. And don't forget to subscribe because I need you. I want you back. I want you back to see more of my videos. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first item was this beautiful dress. I like this kind of like flower detail that they've done, like with the holes and the like embroidery. Material is lovely and soft, very light and breathable. Breathable, perfect for summer because it lets a lot of air in. Really lovely. I like the belt as well. Just lets us tie in our waist, show it off a bit more. You know, we've been working out for summer. We want to show off our little waist. Very conservative as well. You know, we've got the buttons to cover us all up, but still very sexy because it is quite body hugging and body it really like looks nice on our figure. I like the collar as well. Just a nice little touch. I would just pair this up with some nice sandals and this would just be a nice little summery dress. Like the long sleeves as well. Yeah, I just think it's a really pretty dress. And I like that it can be worn on different occasions. This would be like a shopping dress for me. And then also if I'm like a get together with family. Now I have to find the tag. Which can always be a little bit of a struggle. But the dress I got in a size extra small and it's $39.99. Okay, so here are these pink, kind of blush pink, light pink trousers with that beautiful regal royal top on that I got in my previous haul. Love the belt design of them. They fit really nice on. They are on the loose side, but they're okay for me. They're not too loose because I generally don't like loose trousers. They fit amazingly around my waist and the hips as well. Great feel and comfort to them. I got them in a size extra small and I'm a UK 8 and they were $29.99, which I think is a really good price for the quality and the style and the look of them. I like this is a nice little look. I'm sorry, I know the black bra is a bit much. I'd wear a white one, but I can't be asked to go to my room. I'm just lazy. But I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see the length of them. So hopefully that gives you a good length of the trousers. For reference, I'm 5'3", I am A. But yeah, super nice. I love the look as well. This is such a cute and innocent little dress. I love it so much. It's really nice and like romantic. I think this would work really nice on like a little beach day or like a little picnic in the park day. It's so cute. Love the little ruffle. It is making me look skinnier than I actually am. Like, I had a little bit of flab and I feel like it's just made it all disappear. I absolutely love the dress. I have to say though, the only thing that is a bit of a downfall is that the elastic here is a bit tight, but maybe after a wash or two it would loosen up. You've also got elastic at the back and then you can do a sweet little bow as well. Oh my gosh, I just love this dress. Could potentially be, you know, a meet the parent dress if you want to look cute and innocent but really you're evil. I'm just trying to make a little bow for you guys. So yeah, sweet little bow. Cute little Easter dress. You know, if you're going Easter egg hunting. I'm not. I'm just going to go to Asda, you know, pick up an Easter egg. I will tell you the stats on this as well. I got it in a size extra small and it's $25.99. Yeah, really cute dress. I love it so much. Okay, this is very outside my comfort zone, very different, something that I thought I would probably like never be caught dead in. It is like a blazer style outfit, but it's sleeveless and then it's got these kind of high shorts. The shorts are really loose on me even though they are a size extra small and they're $29.99. Yeah, like look at that on the waist, very loose. The blazer is not too bad though. It's got a good length to it. I can tell some people would make it pass as a dress. But it's an outfit. It actually is quite cute. Very like zoo-ish. You know the people at the zoo, like they wear these kind of outfits like in the movies, not real life people in the zoo. I like the pockets though, really nice, oversized, comfy. Chuck a phone in there, a lip balm, a wallet. You can carry a lot of things in these pockets, or just your hands. Then you've got these two little fun little buttons in the front. So yeah, good quality as well. Different colour. Online it looked a lot lighter than this, but they have lights and stuff in the studio, so I can imagine that's why it looks a bit darker. But it is still a really nice colour. I think it works lovely with my skin tone. Got a nice little deep V. Kind of nice, like, you know, blazer style here, like that. Going back to the shorts. So you got that trouser style effect, you know, hiding that zip. And you got that extendable with the belt and button detail here. I'm not a fan of the trousers, but as they look in whole, like they look really cute with the jacket. But I don't think this outfit is for me. I will just never wear it. That's the honest truth. Ooh, I forgot to say, the jacket is $29.99, so it is actually a reasonable price for a little look from Zara.